Hello, Headstart learners. In this lesson, we're going to talk about compound sentences. Let's go!
A compound sentence is made up of two simple sentences joined by a conjunction. Examples of conjunctions are and or but.
I have and but. We can use these to make compound sentences. So example, Jack goes to the park. That's one sentence. Jack rides a bike. That's another sentence.
Now, how can we combine them? How can we put them together and make it into one sentence?
So let's put them together.
Jack goes to the park and rides a bike. The special word here is the conjunction. The conjunction is
and.
Yes.
Let's do some more. Compound sentences. Now think of a bridge that connects two islands together. A conjunction connects two sentences together.
Like we said, you can use and or but. They are two examples of conjunctions. We use and to connect two similar ideas together. You can also use and to add something to your sentence.
So for example, I like apples and bananas.
We use but to connect two contrasting ideas together. You use but to show something different from what you said before. So two things are not similar.
Is that what contrasting means?
Yes, it means two things are not similar.
Okay, so here's an example.
I was hungry, but I didn't eat.
So let's do more examples. What is she doing?
It looks as though she is playing and singing.
Oh, you're smart. She can sing and play guitar.
Yes, she can. So we have the conjunction and. She can sing and she can play the guitar. She can do two things.
What if I change this to but? How can I change this sentence? So it could be, she can sing, but can't play piano.
That's right. You use but when two things are not similar. She can sing, but she can't play piano. She can do one thing, but she can't do the other.
All right, for this part, let's circle the compound sentence.
We went to the amusement park and it was fun. We went to the amusement park yesterday. Now, which sentence tells you two pieces of information?
So I see and right here. That's a conjunction. So that tells me that they put two sentences together.
That's correct. We went to the amusement park, and the other piece of information is it was fun.
Circle it.
Now circle the compound sentence again.
Oh, I like this one. Ash found a Pokeball. It was empty inside. Wait. These are just two sentences. Look down here. Ash found a Pokeball, but it was empty inside. So you see this part, they're just two simple sentences. But this one here is two simple sentences put together, so we call that a compound sentence.
And we have that special word, a conjunction. But.
Yes. All right, let's choose the best answer to complete the sentence.
They wanted to drive the car, but it had no gas, and it had no gas. Which is the best answer?
No gas. So that sounds like something contrasting, something different. So I think it's probably this one, but it had no gas.
It's definitely but. They wanted to drive the car, but it had no gas, so they couldn't drive the car.
Yes, you cannot say and it had no gas, because and is for something that's similar. All right, let's do another one. We have some cookies, but apples.
And apples. Which one sounds correct? We have some cookies, but apples, or we have some cookies and apples. Does it sound similar? Yes, and apples sounds similar.
Yes, that would be strange to say, but apples.
The next sentence is, she forgot to comb her hair, but forgot to brush her teeth, and forgot to brush her teeth. Now this is super easy. We can see the same word forgot. So we know that the second part of the sentence should be similar.
So she forgot two things. That's what I'm understanding. So it should be this one.
That's correct. She forgot to comb her hair and forgot to brush her teeth. She forgot two things.
Yes. All right, let's play a little game now. So you can find this compound sentence conjunctions game in the link below. Let's get started. All right, so you see here, she loves to read, and then there's a blank, go to the library. Now we see two conjunctions up here. What do we do? Did I click on them? No. Oh, I think you have to drag them. Okay, so let's do one. She loves to read.
And go to the library.
There we go.
She loves to do two things.
Push this button when you're finished. There. Yay, it's correct.
It was raining, blank, we still went outside. These are not two similar ideas, so they are contrasting. We need to use the word but.
There we go. Submit. Hey, you got it right.
Yay!
My turn. He wanted to go for a walk. Blank. It started to rain. So like the last one, these are also two different ideas. So it's but. There we go.
Bingo! Now here, the sun was shining, blank, the birds were singing. Interesting. Is that contrasting? No. They are similar ideas. Now we're going to add and. Let's see if that is correct.
Yeah, the sun was shining and the birds were singing. There we go. All right, she studied hard, blank, passed all her exams. Exams is the same as tests. So she did this, and this happened.
And it's all about studying. They're similar ideas. So we're going to add and.
Let's see. Bingo! All right, there's still more questions. So you know what? I'm going to let you guys play this game and see how you do. You guys did wonderful. And we'll also see you in the quiz and the worksheet later.
Don't forget to leave your name on the leaderboard. See if you can become the conjunction champion.